Hello everyone, welcome to my submission of the MCP's first birthday challenge hosted by Anthropic and Gradio. In this competition, what I worked on is a FixMyEnv agent. It is an agent that takes your environment files and tries to help you resolve any issues that you have. For example, if you are stuck on Python 3.10 and you wish to upgrade your Python to 3.14, and you're worried it might crash your environment, you basically would come to this tool, put your environment files here, and then ask the agent if it is okay to do so. To give you a hint on what it does, it uses several tools, internal and external. So external tools, if I were to name a few, it uses the GitHub MCP server. It is a publicly available server which you can place a request to about any public repositories. It also uses the pyp index, which is an API where you can place a request to know more about any Python packages and its dependencies, and for recent releases. Internally, it uses quite a number of tools to resolve environments, to parse environment files in requirements.txt format or pyproject.toml file, and tools that integrate with Gradio. For example, there's a tool called upload to Gradio, which is a default tool that you need to upload files to Gradio. So these are basically the working pieces and how it does the things that it's supposed to do. Now to a demo. Here you see the user has asked this agent that he or she is having a problem with resolving a particular library, so in this case NumPy, because of some conflicting dependencies. For a seasoned user, this is pretty clear what it is, but for a newcomer, maybe this is not. And this is exactly where this tool comes in. If the user puts their question in like that, then the agent takes the time to answer the question on what to do next. So in this case, you see that the agent has asked the user to upgrade from 1.19 of NumPy to 1.26, keeping all the other packages unchanged, so that the user can upgrade to Pandas 2.2. And that was causing the conflict. And I think that's a fair enough answer. The user can still follow up on this question and this answer. The history is maintained, and you can even switch to a different context. So this was it. I hope you get to play with this tool. If you're also interested in how or what it is doing in the background, you can also go to logs. For example, you see why or how it arrived at this current answer, and all the tools that it called in this process. For example, this pyp request that I just mentioned is here, pyp search version, which basically searches for a particular Python package and a specific version and returns the metadata. So this is helpful because it has different dependencies, and maybe this is clashing with the current version of a particular package that the user is using. Or there are other tools like UV Resolver internally, which tries to resolve the environment and uses the logs from UV to help the user or to guide the user. So I hope you have a fair understanding of this tool now, and looking forward to your comments and views on this particular tool. Thank you.